Okay, what you'll see when you turn on the machine here is it will come up and it will say it'll try to load. It'll say real-time clock failure, contact customer service. I'm gonna show you how to fix this. So you'll take the cover off the machine. There's 2 bolts over here and there's one underneath the oil container. You'll go on the back and you will see right here, see center screen, there is a button cell battery, and you're just gonna take a screwdriver or something and pop that out. Here's the way the battery's oriented. It's this right here, not the side with the words. It's gonna be up towards this part of the machine. And this battery is a hang on. It's like a CR1620 right there. Just put you another one in. So went ahead and replaced the battery, and then I turned the machine on, and it's gonna say clock error again, but all you have to do is just set the clock on the machine, the clock and the date, and then when you turn the machine on, after that, you'll notice the first time there was a big lag because it was trying to figure out what was going on with the clock. You'll turn this back on, and then it should go directly into checking the sensors. And you'll see the time and dates up here, which it wouldn't do before, and you're fixed. Hope this helps. I'll leave the link to the battery in the comments below. Thanks for watching.